Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, what we are going to see, we are going to see create table if not exists. So what is this? Okay, so basically what it will do, it will create a table if it doesn't exist. Okay, and if it exists, by the way, it will skip that command. Okay, suppose here, since I have already uh, I have I have created the temp. Let me check if I have created the temp or not. Use medical underscore shop. Okay, so now let me check. Okay, so this table has been deleted from. So what I will do, I will create this table, create medical shop dot temp, a temp table I'm going to create. Okay, but I will add this one, this word. So what this word will do, this word will, if you are applying simple create a statement, right, it will create, right? But what it will do when I apply if not exists. Okay, okay, what it will do, it will first check whether the table named temp exists in this or not. Okay, if it exists, it will skip that, otherwise it will create that. So why it is important? Okay, why it is important, let me first run it and then I will tell you why it is important. So now you can see that a temp table has been created here. Okay, so now I will insert two or more records. Here I have already made the command for saving our time, so I have inserted these two records. Okay, now I will do select star from medical shop.temp. Okay, now what will you observe here? You will see the records has been there, is there or not, is there. Okay, now I am disabling these two things. Okay, or I am, what, suppose let me disable these two things. Okay, so what if you don't use this exists command, and if you run again this command, what you will get, you will get an error. Okay, table already exists. Okay, so to prevent you from this command, this headache, to prevent you from this headache, what you will do, you will you will apply this command. Okay, and now if you run it, you will see, you will get a warning, but your command will run. Okay, and this is what my concern is. Suppose you want to enter a new record. Okay, okay, a new record. Suppose overwrite, am I in, if I'm not wrong, overwrite. Okay, no, override doesn't work here. Okay, insert into vertical. So suppose I want to enter one more record here. Suppose 22 and JJ. Okay, now if I want to run all these command at once. Okay, so see what it will do, it will insert and select at once. Okay, did you get this? So what a magic it creates. Why I am telling you this, because in future you are going to make scripts. Okay, in future you are going to make scripts and run at once to save your time. Okay, in your project you will see, you are going, you need to automate things, you need to make scripts so much, in many times, in your daily basis, on your daily basis you should make scripts, and for making scripts this is useful. And that was what my input for today was. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the future reference. And if you also could do comment if you like it. Thank you very much.